Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay, so it has been a great day, right? Even I welcome you all grandly, all my friends to Kiddo Kids who are watching the show right now. And there must be a lot of viewers right now. And yesterday also there were many callers who came after the wind up also. So if you were one of those callers we couldn't unfortunately take up because you all were busy seeing the Tom and Jerry show and our wind up was over. So if you were one of the unfortunate callers, you can also call today. Don't worry, you can call to 052-9611-333. And today also we have a surprise for you. That is our yesterday one caller, right, Shreya, she went to Oasis Center. So she has sent some pictures of how like she took some pictures in Oasis Center. So how she sent some pictures to Kiddo Kids. So we will be showing it to the end of the show. Okay, anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Shivananda.
Shivananda. Okay, Shivananda, you broke Sachin's record. You called first today.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, Shivananda, how are you feeling today?
Sorry?
How are you feeling today?
Nice.
Let me remember. Are you calling from Abu Dhabi?
No, I'm calling from Dubai.
Okay. Because I told you I have a very old memory, right? So I have problems with memory problems. So okay, so you're calling from there. Okay, and so you must be you're not going anywhere that much, right?
Yeah.
So if you see, if I gave you some car or something, okay, I give you a car and I tell you can go to 3 places. Which will that you can go to 3 places anywhere in the world, and where will that 3 places be?
I will go to
First place.
Spain.
Where?
Spain.
Spain. Okay, why will you go to Spain?
Because I think it's a nice place.
Okay, you think Spain is a good country. Okay, so then second, where will you go? From Spain.
Second,
Now you have arrived in Spain. Now from Spain, where will you go?
From there I'll go to I'll go to Paris.
You'll go to which palace?
Paris.
Okay, you'll go to Paris. From Spain straight to Paris.
Yeah.
Then Paris. Why Paris? Because of shopping there. You're a girl, right? So
No.
you might like
I can
shopping.
see Eiffel Tower.
You can.
See Eiffel Tower.
Okay, you can see Gustavus Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
Okay, so for seeing one of the wonders of the world, you will go to Paris. Then from Paris, your last destination, where will that be?
Then I'll go to where I'll go. Then I'll go to Rome.
You'll go to Oman.
Yeah, I mean Rome.
Okay, you'll go to Rome. Everything in the European part, right?
Yeah, because
So your favorite continent, if I ask you, it'll be Europe.
not like that. Because Asia, like
Asia, there's not that much, but don't worry, Asia. See, Asia
I'll
has
change the place. Okay.
no problem. It doesn't
Okay,
matter.
I'll go to India. Okay.
Okay, so from straight Paris, you'll go to India.
Yeah.
Okay, you'll go to India where? India, Agra to see next wonder of the world.
India, I'll go to my own place, Kerala.
Okay, you'll go to Kerala. So that is your final destination.
Yeah.
Okay, have you seen the movie Final Destination?
Never.
You have never even heard about the movie?
I did not even see the movie.
No, have you heard about the movie?
No.
Oh my God, that's a great wonder because which child didn't have heard about that movie? It's like
Because I'm not interested in watching this English movies.
okay, it's like a little scary movie. It's like Final Destination. All bad things happen to people. Like one person, he'll be thinking about the future and all, and that person will tell what is going to happen, and it's really it's a really sad movie also.
Okay, then maybe I won't watch.
There are 5 parts or 6 parts for the movie.
Okay.
Okay, so you're more interested into not English movies,
Yeah, not English movies, but English songs. I like it very much.
Okay, some you like. So that's okay. So what is your first place? Spain. From Spain straight to where?
Paris.
And Paris
Then
straight to Paris straight to Rome. But then you'll change your direction, divert, and go to India.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and India, your favorite place, that's Kerala.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is the 3 places you would like to go.
Yeah.
Okay. But now you can't go, now actually you can't go anywhere, right?
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, okay. So, what are you doing to pass time actually?
Today.
Today, what did you do today?
Actually, today I went to Ace to buy some plants.
Where did you go?
Ace, near to IKEA, there's a shop where you can buy these plants. And
Okay, it's a nursery.
Yeah?
No. You call a place where you go to buy plants, flowers, and you call it a nursery.
Yeah, but actually there's not only like plants, there are like containers, all the houses.
Yeah, it's all plant related things, right? For agriculture.
Yeah, not like that, everything is there.
Yeah, so it's actually a nursery. So you went there, bought many plants and all, right?
Yeah.
Do you know? Did you buy flowers or like plants of like you bought seeds?
We bought plants.
You bought plants. Do you know the names of the plants you bought?
Maybe tulsi.
Tulsi, okay. So
then
that's
curry
a
leaf.
curry leaves. That's like all Kerala people are not. Most of the plants we plant are tulsi, curry leaves, like that, right?
Then money plant.
Many plants. Even my mother is also trying to now. Most of the houses in Dubai, they do aloe vera, right?
Yeah.
Even in my house, there's a big, so many pots of aloe vera.
Yeah.
So it's do you have aloe vera in your house?
No, maybe I'll buy it later.
Okay, so you live near. Where do you live actually?
I live in Al Nahda today.
Okay, you live Al Nahda, Dubai, near the border, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So near there, where's IKEA? That I don't know. Okay, anyway, no problem. Which game do you want to play?
Dictionary.
Dictionary game. Okay. Dictionary game. So do you have a dictionary with you?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the meaning of humane?
What?
Humane. HUMANE.
Humane. Okay,
Yeah,
wait
humane.
1 second.
Okay. 1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm going till 20 for you. 14.
Okay, I'll tell.
Okay.
Humane.
Yeah,
Kind
humane.
and considerate.
Correct answer. So humane meaning is kind and considerate to others. So are you humane?
Yeah, I'm a human.
Okay, you are a human who is humane.
Sorry?
You are a human who is humane.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, you'll call us tomorrow also?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, anyway, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Shivananda who called us. We had fun talking to her also. And today also our topic for today is pollution. So we are continuing on yesterday's line itself. So yesterday I talked about air pollution, right? So today we will be talking about water pollution, and if we have time we will be talking about noise pollution. So these are the water pollutants that, I told you what is pollutants, right? They can take pollutants, the components of pollution, what brings about pollution. So there are heavy metals, sewage and domestic waste, industrial effluents, pesticides, soap and detergents, etc. So these are the pollutants that goes into water, and it pollutes the water, and this is the water we drink. So you will be really worried when you think that we are drinking like this water which is composited without all this, right? So we must be really scared also. Okay, anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Sachin.
Sachin. So Sachin, Shivananda broke your record. You always call first, right?
Sorry.
Okay, no problem. So how are you feeling today, Sachin?
Good.
So Sachin, what did you do today?
I was completing project.
You are completing your holiday homework, right?
Yeah.
What was the project?
Bhagat Singh and Subhash Chandra Bose.
You have to write a report on Bhagat Singh and Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yeah.
So maybe watching Kido Kids helped you.
Yeah.
So did you listen to Kido Kids that day?
No.
On the day we talked about Bhagat Singh?
Bhagat Singh, I just listened half. Then Subhash Chandra Bose full.
Okay, like that. So anyway, do you finish the report or half only?
No, I already finished full.
Finished. Okay. Now how many holiday homeworks did you have? 2 or 3 or 4 or 5?
Over.
4. Okay. So you finished everything.
Over.
Everything is over.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So after now we have I think 6 days left, right? 6 or 5 days?
Yeah, 30, 31, yeah, 6 days.
6 days. So what are you going to do during the 6 days?
Thursday my cousins are coming from
Okay. Again your cousins are coming.
Yeah.
So this time also going for a movie?
No.
No, okay. Planning something else, right?
If they come here, then I don't know what the plan.
Okay, so planning something else.
Yeah.
Okay. So have fun and that's it. But your cousins are only coming by Thursday, right?
Yeah, and they'll go Saturday.
Okay, they'll go on Saturday. Okay, which game do you want to play?
Dictionary game.
Dictionary game is over. Sorry.
Okay, Atlas.
Atlas. Okay. You start.
Okay, Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. This time also I'm telling it's countries. Okay, leave it. Abu Dhabi. India.
Okay, Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Islands. Okay, you are telling islands also? Okay.
Islands is okay.
Okay, S. Sharjah.
Okay, H, Hyderabad, D.
Hyderabad. D. Delhi.
Okay, I, Indonesia, A.
Indonesia. A. Antarctica.
Okay, A, America.
America. A. Australia.
Okay, A, Andhra Pradesh, H.
Andhra Pradesh. Okay, that's nice game. So,
Okay.
did you have fun playing Atlas?
Yeah.
Okay,
Did you receive some messages today?
You sent a message?
Yeah.
Yeah, we received your message actually.
Okay.
Okay. So, you know about from next year we are having that letter competition. So, send letters, okay?
Okay.
Send the letters. You can see the.
Anchor.
Yeah, anchor message we got. So and
Okay.
you know about the letters. Send. You can see the email ID right now. You can see it now. So you can just send the you can send your letter to that email ID from January 1st, and we will be reading best letter of every week. Best letter will be there.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Sachin who called us. Even, he was also a constant caller who always calls us. And I just reminded you about the best letter competition that we are having from next year. So don't forget to send in your letters to kiddokids@ntvua.com, and we will be selecting the best letter every week from each one of you, and we will read out the best letter on Thursday actually. So nowadays, now every day we will be having show on Thursday also. So don't forget, we have showed from Sunday to Thursday. So on Thursday we will be reading the best letter, and we will be reading and we will be announcing the winner. So don't forget to send in your letters. And now we are talking about water pollution. Water pollution, there are many causes for water pollution. That is factories throwing waste into the water. As you can see the picture of water pollutants again. You can see factories throwing waste in the water, bathing animals in the water, putting harmful acids into the water, which can also, what are the effects now? That many effects are there. Effects are like, it can kill fishes. First of all, it can kill fishes. It can we are drinking that water, so it can be harmful to us. Okay, now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Tanya.
Tanya, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
Okay, Tanya, what did you do today?
Nothing special.
Nothing special. So what did you do this first time? Simply sitting?
No, I was completing my works and I was studying.
Okay, you are completing your works and you are studying. School is going to start in 6 days, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so so nothing special you did today. Now we have 6 days left. So are you going anywhere?
No.
Not much. So you're not going anywhere that much. So where did you go actually? This now you had many days, right? Where did you go that time?
Means I used to go to parks and all, but not anywhere far.
Okay, no trips and all, but you just went to parks like that, malls,
Yeah.
parks like that. So did you celebrate
Yeah.
Christmas?
No.
No. Okay. So you must have seen all that big Christmas trees and all when you go to mall and all, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now, what are you after you call me? What are you going to do?
Nothing. I'll
Read a book or something?
No.
Not reading a book, right?
No, I'll go out after some time.
You'll go out to play with your friends?
Yeah, I'll go to the park.
Okay, you'll go to the park. Okay, again going to the park. Okay, which game do you want to play? Now our dictionary is over, Atlas is over. Now we have riddles, spelling, connection, sentence making and dictionary. No, sentence making. That's it.
Okay, riddles.
Riddles. Okay. So even I had a doubt, will you choose riddles or not? That's why I made a special riddles for our callers today. And it's a little tricky one.
Okay.
Okay. What is at the end of a rainbow?
W.
Correct answer. So I thought you'll take some time to answer, but how did you know the answer?
End of rainbow.
Yeah, because I thought you will say end of a rainbow there's a rock, or end of a rainbow something else is there. But you said the letter W. So that was correct answer.
I thought of telling red, but then later I thought it's a tricky one, so I told W.
Oh, okay, so you're planning to tell the color. Okay. Anyway, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Tanya who called us. We had fun talking to her also. And even now, riddles is also over. So you can only play spelling, connection, or spelling, connection, or sentence making. And now our riddles and GK is also there. Don't forget about GK. We can never forget about general knowledge in our life, right? So now I was talking about water pollution. Water pollution can be caused by many factors. That is factories throwing waste into the water, bathing animals in the water, putting harmful acids into the water, also which can kill fishes. And the effects are, there are many effects that water pollution causes approximately 14,000 deaths per day around the world. See, look how dirty that water is. Look, all wastes are, all the people, they just if they don't have any place to put the waste, they just throw it into the water. So that's a very bad habit also. This can this can cause in many people dying every day, and also mostly due to contamination of drinking water. Okay, anyway, I'll talk about that afterwards. Now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Shreya.
Shreya. So Shreya, you send us some pictures, right?
Yeah.
So don't forget to stay tuned to Kiddo Kids. We are gonna show it in the end, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So you went to Oasis Center and took those pictures, right?
Yeah.
Those are really good pictures.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So Shreya, how old are you?
I am 11. I'm gonna be 12.
Okay. So I think you have two sisters, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the name of your two sisters?
Shraddha and Shruda.
Shraddha and Shruda. Okay, I saw three girls standing in the picture.
Even my mother.
Yeah, okay. No, your mother is a fourth, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I saw three small little girls standing. That's why I asked. I knew that you had two sisters then.
Yeah.
Okay. So they're very small.
Yeah, Shraddha is in KG1 and Shruda is just 2 years.
Okay. So do you quarrel with them?
Huh?
Do you fight with them?
No, not much, but I fight.
Not much, but for silly reasons you will also fight, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That everybody does that. Okay.
Yeah.
So now I asked Shivananda one question. I'm asking you that same question. If I give you 3 tickets and they tell that you can go anywhere in the world, where will you go?
Anywhere in the world.
3
Oh,
places. Only 3 places.
Only 3?
Yeah. 3 places. First, where will you go?
First, I really had this thing that I should go to this Canada.
Okay, first you really want to go to Canada. You
Yeah.
want to see the Niagara Falls and all.
Yeah.
Okay, so first is
Then I
Canada.
want to go to London.
Okay, Canada straight to London.
London.
London, then
Then
London.
to our God's own country, Kerala.
Then even your God's own country, Kerala, in the last.
Yeah, the last one.
So you want to go to your homeland last?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So first Canada, Niagara Falls watching, then go to London, see the Big Ben, then come back to Kerala.
Yeah.
Okay. So that you also want to go like that. Okay. So so will you take your sisters when you go?
Yeah, I'll take everybody.
You will take your full family and only go.
Full family and go.
And well, okay, I'll give you. Okay, when you're going to these places, you only have 2 tickets. No, you have 3 tickets with you. One is for you, and 2. Who will you take that to? Father, mother, Shraddha, and your small sister. Who will you take? Only 3 tickets you have.
3 tickets only I have.
Yeah, and one is for you. Then second and third, who will you take?
I'll take my father
Father,
and my Shraddha.
Shraddha. Oh my God. Okay, okay. So if you're
Okay, if I take my mother and I can't take my mother because my small sister, my mother have to look after, right?
okay, if your small sister is watching, when you get back, you will get nicely.
No.
Because she'll think that you are not taking her with you.
I don't know about that. That is when really I get these 3 tickets, right? Now just think about it.
No, okay, okay. Okay, anyway, you won't get 3 tickets like that.
Yeah.
Okay, which game do you want to play?
I want to play Connection.
Connection game. Okay, you start.
Hello?
Hello, you start.
Okay, I'll start with Happy.
Happy. Why? Why? Ear.
What?
Ear. Ear. YEAR.
Oh, here, okay. R, recorder.
Recorder. R. Again R. Radio.
Radio. O, octopus.
Octopus. S. Sun.
Fun.
Sun.
Sun, okay. N, new.
New. W. Walrus.
Huh?
Walrus. Tell the letter with the S now.
Okay, S, snake.
Snake. E. Eagle.
EC, Y.
No, I said eagle.
Eagle.
Yeah.
E, exceed.
Exceed. Okay. D. D. Dubai. Okay, not Dubai. Okay, Dubai.
Dubai. I, in.
In. Okay, that was a great game.
Thank you.
Okay, even I like playing. Okay, so tomorrow also you will call.
Yeah, I'll call tomorrow.
Okay, anyway, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
And we will be showing your pictures afterwards. Okay, now we are talking to Shreya. Even if you haven't went to any places, even when you are now, whether you went now or when you went when you are small, no problem. You send us the pictures and we'll be showing you. And the day we are showing the pictures, you call us also. Then only we'll understand who sent the pictures, and then like that also. So you should call also. So then also we'll be showing the pictures like what Shreya we'll be showing at the end of the show. Shreya's pictures. Now you are talking about water pollution. Water pollution causes 14,000 deaths per day. That is too much actually. 14,000. Look how much waste from the factories is going into the river. Look how much waste. Look how much waste is going into the river. All the black color water that's going into the sea water that we are going to drink. So it's really a very bad thinking even when we think. An estimated 500 million Indians have no access to a proper toilet in India. So that is also a very huge problem. Okay, now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello,
Hello, what's your name?
Aaron.
Aaron. So Aaron, you have called before also, right?
No?
You're a first time caller?
Yes.
Okay, we have another Aaron who calls us, constantly. Okay, Aaron, how old are you?
I am 9.
You're 9 years old. Okay. Which school do you go to?
I go to Abu Dhabi Indian School.
Abu Dhabi Indian School. Okay. So who's your best friend?
Umesh.
Umesh.
Yes.
Okay. Why is Umesh your best friend?
Because he likes me.
Okay,
Yes.
because you like him and he likes you.
Yes.
Oh.
And he helps me.
He helps you. Okay. Do you have any siblings?
Huh?
Do you have any siblings?
No.
No, you
No
don't.
siblings.
No, brothers and sisters.
Yes, we have.
Okay, what are their names?
Huh?
What are their names?
1 minute.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. So you have brothers and sisters. Okay. So anyway, can you sing a rhyme for me?
No.
Can you sing a song for me?
I don't know.
You're not a singer.
No, I'm not a good singer.
Okay, you're not a good singer. So what are you good at?
I am good at. I don't know.
What is your talent? Like you don't know your talent?
Running. Running.
Okay, you're good in athletics.
No, running.
Yeah, running. Okay, so you're good in running.
Yes.
Okay, so you win running race and all, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So have you got any medals and all?
Not really. Only 2 to 3.
2 to 3 medals you have got. That's a big achievement because most of your friends who are watching the game not even got 1 medal.
Oh, okay.
So that's a great achievement.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, which game do you want to play?
I will play spelling.
Spelling. Okay. Spelling. Okay. Do you want a very tough spelling or a easy spelling?
Okay, not tough, not very tough, very.
Okay. What is the spelling of separate?
Separate.
Yeah.
S-E-P-R-A-T-E.
S-E-P-R-A-T-E. That's wrong. Can you try once more? S-E-P.
Okay, S-E-P.
S-E-P.
What?
No, continue, tell.
R-A-T-E.
R-A.
S-E-P. I know. S-E-P-E-R-A-T-E.
Again wrong. Last chance.
Okay. S-E-P-E-R-A-T-E.
It's wrong. I'm sorry. Second time also it was same thing what you told just now. No, so I told you that's wrong. The spelling is S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E.
Oh.
It's A, not E. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And we'll call us tomorrow also. Okay. Okay. And thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was he who called us. We had fun talking to him also. Aaron, we had fun talking to Aaron. Now we are talking about water pollution. Water pollution, there are many effects for water pollution, right? Many effects. It's mostly always the water pollution happens mostly due to contamination of drinking water by untreated sewage in developing countries. So many 14,000 people die due to this contamination of drinking water by untreated sewage in developing countries. Okay, now I think it's you must be we were talking about water pollution and all. Now you also must be thinking very bad about things. So this SMS to 35, now you can SMS to 3537 that you can SMS any effects or causes of water pollution. Right now you have to SMS, then only I'll be reading it. So you can SMS to 3537 about water pollution effects and causes. And now see, you can see how all the waste is going into the water. There is household sewage, there is pesticides water, then there is livestock wastes, then there is wastes what we throw, then factory wastes, many things are there. So that is also a very bad thing. Then see, you can see a picture of that now. Now we are we are talking about water pollution, and we also have noise pollution. Okay, now before going for the noise pollution, let's go for a rhyme. So stay tuned to Kiddo Kids. Okay, actually before going for that rhyme, let's go for a caller. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Shovin.
Shovin.
Yes.
Okay, Shovin, where are you calling from?
From Mysore.
Okay, so are you having fun? What did you do today?
I am watching the TV.
Okay, you watched TV today, and what else did you do?
What? Sorry?
Which grade are you in?
Grade 2.
Grade 2. Okay, can you sing a rhyme for me?
Huh?
Can you sing a rhyme for me?
Royal.
Yeah, rhyme.
I don't know.
Okay, song?
Not right.
Okay. Tell me 5 words which starts with T.
Starts with T.
T.
Tom,
Ton,
Tim,
Tim, Tin.
talking,
Talking. T.
with T.
Then teeth.
Toys.
Toys. Okay. Thank you, Chauvin. So you thank you for calling.
Yes.
Bye. Okay, now I had promised. Now I had an awkward silence just now, but I had promised because Chauvin just called now, so that's why we couldn't go for a rhyme. But I promised I will take you for a rhyme now. So stay tuned to Kiddo Kids.